Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Claude losing track of document content in long files. If you're working with a large PDF, research paper, report, book, or technical document in Claude, you may sometimes notice that Claude forgets details from earlier sections, overlooks important information, or gives answers that seem focused only on the most recent parts of the document. This can happen when dealing with very long files and complex conversations, but there are several ways to improve accuracy. The first thing to understand is that even though Claude can process very large documents, the quality of its responses often depends on how you structure your questions. Instead of immediately asking detailed questions about the entire document, start with a prompt like, "Read this document and create a structured outline of all major sections and topics." This gives Claude a clear map of the content before deeper analysis begins. Next, ask Claude to generate section summaries. For example, summarize each chapter or major section separately and list the key points from each. By creating summaries early, you establish reference points that Claude can use throughout the conversation. Another helpful technique is to reference specific sections when asking questions. Instead of saying, "What does the document say about project risks?" try, "Based on sections 3, 5, and 8, what project risks are discussed and how do they compare?" This directs Claude's attention to the exact areas that matter. If you're conducting a long conversation, periodically ask Claude to create a memory summary. A useful prompt is, "Create a concise summary of all important findings discussed so far that we can use as a reference for future questions." This helps preserve context and reduces the chance of important information being forgotten during extended chats. You should also break complex tasks into smaller steps. Rather than asking Claude to summarize, compare, analyze, critique, and provide recommendations all in one prompt, handle each task separately. Focused prompts usually produce more reliable results. When accuracy is especially important, ask Claude to cite supporting evidence from the document. For example, for every conclusion, provide the section or passage that supports your answer. This encourages Claude to stay grounded in the document rather than relying on assumptions. For extremely large files, consider analyzing the document in stages. Start with the first portion of the document, create summaries, then move to later sections. Once all sections have been reviewed, ask Claude to combine the findings into a final report. This layered approach often produces better results than attempting one massive analysis. Finally, don't hesitate to remind Claude of important context. You can paste a previously generated summary and ask Claude to use it as a reference point before continuing the discussion. By creating outlines, generating section summaries, referencing specific sections, requesting evidence, and maintaining ongoing summaries, you can significantly reduce the chances of Claude losing track of important content in long documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.